You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So let's break down how to pronounce correctly the name of this important city in Vermont. This is actually the capital city of Vermont. And yes, the spelling is a bit strange, and I think it's because it was named by the French. Alright, so let's hear it first. Montpelier. Alright, so let's break it down now. You've got 3 syllables. The first one is Mont. This is American English, so it's not Mont, but Mont. Okay, a more open R sound. Mont. Peel, just like the verb to peel a fruit. Yer. The stress is on the peel syllable, as you can see. Montpelier, Montpelier, Vermont is how you pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.